Hello everyone. Welcome back to Master Howto channel. Today I'm going to show you 12 plus. The most basic trick when you're using AI chat tools. For example, GPT chat, Gemini lipstick, hey blog. You can absolutely find it. There's a lot of other great tricks out there. But it only serves one purpose. Something specific. And it doesn't go into the real nature of GPT chat. Here we'll give you a total of 12 plus 1. A little trick so you can go deeper. All the aspects, and use GPT chat most effectively. And then you apply it. Your intelligence and your imagination to use it most effectively. From there, you can solve all of these problems, the problems that we are. Any questions? Let's get started. First, specify the role of GPT chat. The purpose of this trick is to let GPT chat focus into a single subject specialization. Avoid being spread. For example, you can ask GPT chat to play a role is one Oracle database experts to help you getting something very specific done. This will help GPT chat. Avoid rambling when you just ask the general, please help me solve these problems in the database, and then chat GPT won't be clear that it's a database. Oracle, hey MySQL, or relational or non-relational databases. So specify the role of GPT chat. It's like you're shrinking. Give your answer and help it more and more become more accurate. Tip number 2, provide a specific context. It is different from traditional search engines. For example, Google. It's like Bing. You just have to search just my keyword in a simple way and brief and will give us. It's a very clear answer. But AI doesn't work that way. It requires that we need to. There's a specific context so that GPT chat can understand the problem correctly and deal with the exact situation that you're in. The third trick. The question should be as clear and detailed as possible. The fourth group, specify the style or tone. This trick will be applied, especially when you use them. Style, for example, style, writing or style of music. For example, you can say, write me a stylish email of a professional working person. It's different in style when you sending an email to a loved one. Or you can also ask ChatGPT write a post on Facebook. Specifically, can thanks ChatGPT write in real style is creative appeal to users. This is especially true of the very old style. It's very grammatical to use for purposes. More seriously, it's different styles. Fifth trick. Let's give GPT chat a specific example. For relatively complex problems, please give a specific example to ChatGPT. I can understand myself better. In addition to what you've described in detail, or provide a full context. Please request ChatGPT reply from multiple angles. Consider the problem from many aspects that help you have a more comprehensive view. Instead of you ask a very specific question about the problems, you may need to look at it in many ways. In many ways, let GPT chat work. It's the same. For example, you need to be preparing to produce a product. You're the technologist. You only think about the problems involved. Technology without thinking about other problems related to marketing, related to business. It's about managing the life cycle of the product. Human resource management. Then ask GPT chat. GPT physical help can answer you under different angles. From there, you have a more comprehensive view of your product. Thanks so. Something special for translation. The main purpose is to help your translation the best possible. Although currently, GPT chat as well as other AI tools, there's a huge amount of data and work. It's very close to the most natural language. It will become more and more natural, however. Today, everything is still in the development phase, and language is a very complicated problem, especially those that are indigenous in nature. So, you can ask ChatGPT, please give to translations. And then let's ask them to explain the difference between the two translations. From there you will know the advantages and disadvantages of each and make your own choice. Which disease is best for me? Tip number 8, ask GPT chat to ask you back. The goal is that we're going to help AI really understand the problem and redefine it. Who really understood the problem that I said? Or not? And one of the ways that we use the most, that is, ask GPT chat to ask me again. Maybe if you don't know something, or you need to provide more, the context of the data, and also request GPT chat repeat your question to see if GPT chat really understands the problem. 9 tips. Let's use the filtering method and the greasing method and fry it. The main goal is to help AI think deeper and reevaluate your own answers. Then the answers will be better. Please refer to the examples on the screen so that we can better understand the problem. 10th trick. Request the output to be returned in a specific form. For example, it could be a list format, and so on, so that you can look at it in a way. The wall is more. Tip 11, prompt string. This trick is meant to avoid you ask questions that are of a nature it has nothing to do with each other, so that GPT chat can be used more effectively. Think about it. To ask a question in a straight line is the answer. The second one will need to be related to the first one. The following questions will have to hook up with the question first. GPT chat will avoid being replied rampage and will avoid getting lost. And the last tips, that is let's divide the folder by topic and teach the opposite. GPT chat is. Our goal is to help GPT chat focus on a topic specific, help optimize the consultation, and teaching GPT chat back to help GPT chat to understand the problem as accurately as possible, from which to raise awareness, enhance the ability to more accurate answers in the next few weeks. Because GPT chat here now, things are still really not perfect. There's things you'll see, they give you the answers. Not exactly, so it's up to us to come up with the right answers. The aim is to make GPT chat possible. Find the right source of knowledge. And from there, their answers went on. Will get better and better. Here are 12 plus simple, very specific tips. You can completely apply it for use in all different fields. And you don't have to go to any more schools. Any other advanced tips, you read those tips for the purpose of increase your ability to think and apply those. These 12 basic tips from which to give the ability. Your use of Chrome is getting better and better. All of the things you see on the screen will be us. Share in the description of the video. I hope this video is not too long and I can help you better understand the nature of GPT chat. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. If you found today's guide helpful, don't forget to hit like to support the channel and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest and most exciting videos. If you have any questions related to today's content, feel free to leave a comment below. or send us an email at contact.dailyhowto@gmail.com. Thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next video.